Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check if someone logged in into our Messenger account, and all we have to do is to launch our Messenger application, and then we are going to tap on the three lines here at the top, and then we're going to tap on the gear icon. From here, we're going to scroll down until we see privacy and safety, and then we're going to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. From here, we are going to tap on security alerts, then we're going to tap on view all logins, and in here we are going to see all the logged in accounts in our Messenger application. Another alternative that we can actually do is to go back until we arrive here. Then we're going to scroll down until we find Meta Account Center. Then we're going to tap on See More in Account Center. From here, we are going to tap on Password and Security. And then we are going to tap on where you are logged in. And in here, we can actually see the accounts that we have and the devices that are logged in into these accounts. In the case that you don't or you can't identify the device that is in this account, all we have to do is to tap on that account and we have to delete that account. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.